What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to an update, or just in general, new video on Sushi, the token of the Sushi swap and the whole Sushi DeFi ecosystem. Wanted to cover it today because, well, I think it's quite obvious. We're up about 25%, volume of 161 million. So that's all amazing. And apart from that, a lot of people requested it. I covered Sushi Swap, I think 1 week ago. And a lot of people requested like, well, what's happening right now? Should I buy? Should I sell? And even though I don't give advice on buying or selling, I did want to make an update on that. Also a quick recap of what happened yesterday and what happened after my last analysis. So without further ado, I don't want to make this video too long and ramble too much. Let's get right into it. First, I wanted to talk about last video. What I said in that analysis is that we would do something like this. So just wanted to showcase that because it always, I think I was pretty right. I mean, this was a little bit different and we didn't really get this move, but we did get this break retest, as you can see right there. And the support level at 1.1 was correct. So wanted to keep that in there because, yeah, I did expect a move like this. Now that wasn't necessarily only because of this resistance level that was, or this move wasn't only because of this resistance level we touched. It was also because of the inflation rate numbers, which were higher yesterday. That came out yesterday. I think most of you know that at least accounted for this move. But then $1.1 was actually strong enough, broke above our resistance level at 1.15. And ever since, we've been really bullish. You can see the last 8 hours, for example, the last night, at least for me, was very bullish for Sushi Swap, which I think is deserved. I think Sushi Swap is actually the upcoming biggest decentralized exchange. I'm not sure if the numbers support that, but they have a great ecosystem, a lot of products. I would definitely, I would recommend Sushi Swap, but it's obviously up to you. But apart from that, let's talk about what's possible, because we hit the same resistance levels as we did a week ago, actually. So now the question obviously arises is, can we actually break above it this time or not? And I actually think the chances of actually having a bullish breakout right now are higher than ever. But before that, I do think we'll drop down once more towards that 1.35 and 1.3 area. All right, I think we'll drop down there, but now to be honest, I think it's the most likely scenario that we'll kind of consolidate there and then either at the end of the weekend or beginning of next week, break above 1.4, get up to 1.5, and then probably, I'll make an update on it then, but probably also get up to this 1.6 area. I think that's the most likely scenario, all right? I think Sushi Swap has shown a lot of bullish momentum since the beginning of October. They have great developments, and I think the technicals also, the technicals and the fundamentals support a move like this. But we have to be realistic. We're going to drop down to 1.35, 1.3, and we have to hold that. If we break down below 1.3, if we break down to 1.25 again, it's going to be hard. And we're probably going to drop back down all the way to 1.2 and 1.15 again, all right? So even though I think this is the less likely scenario, you have to be prepared for it, right? It's kind of my job, I think, to prepare you for all different scenarios. And right now, the most important level to really think about is the level between 1.3 and 1.35. If we can hold that, we're set for a great move, I think, and a bullish breakout. However, if that breaks, we weren't as strong as I thought. So that's my take on Sushi for now. And for today, I'll probably be back with an update soon. But until then, you can always ask your questions down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I want to wish you all a great day. Bye and take care.